Where do animals live? There are many different climates all over the world. Climate is an average weather in a place over many years. One climate is the aquatic climate. The animals that live in aquatic climates live and breathe underwater. Some of these animals include dolphins, fish, and turtles. Animals can also live in a tropical climate, where it is warm and rainy. Some of these animals include monkeys, birds, and frogs. Other animals can live in desert climates, where it is hot and dry year-round. Some of these animals include lizards, camels, and scorpions.